Show desktop keyboard shortcut in macOS X. I am using a MacBook Pro with macOS X 10.5. Is there a similar function to show desktop shortcut as Win+D on a Mac? It should hide all applications and show a clean desktop.
On older versions of OS X, it's one of the expose keys. Starting with OS X 10.7, expose has been replaced by mission control. The default is F11. On a MacBook you will have to press F and F11, as the keys are used for controlling volume by default. Note that F11 will not work if you have a full screen window on screen, like the browser in full screen mode. You will have to switch to the desktop mode first, using F3, for example, before using F11. If that's not the right one, look in your system preferences to see which one it is.
If F11 by default decreases volume for you, you need to instead press F and F11. You can change that setting in the keyboard system preferences, use all F1, F2, etc. keys as standard function keys. After enabling that, F11 will show desktop, and F and F11 will decrease volume. Some people have mentioned that F3 also works to show the desktop. If it's a new MacBook Pro, you can also use a 3-finger spread to show the desktop. Check out Trackpad in the system preferences for a demonstration of that. Also, in the expose mission control system preferences, you can set up an active screen corner where you can send the mouse to show the desktop. What others are referring to as CMDH refers to the H on your keyboard. It hides the current application and shows whichever's behind it, which may or may not be the desktop depending on what other applications are running. Switch to the Finder, close any Finder windows, and H will hide all other applications, revealing the desktop. This would not show the edges of other windows.
Use F3 on Mavericks and newer MacBook Pros. This doesn't require use of the Fn key. It's similar to F3, but is instantaneous because it shows no animation. Edit, for viewing desktop using trackpad gesture, spread with thumb and 3 fingers. Original answer, for those who are used to Windows looking for how to change Command+D to show the desktop, follow these instructions. System preferences, keyboard, shortcuts, mission control, show desktop. Click on right command, F11. Press Command+D.
Watch